Okay, this is the problem that I'm facing right now with the application with the camera. When I start to record with 1x lens and I make a close-up of my objective, this don't change, the camera don't switch to the macro lens automatically. So I need to press the screen, and only that way the camera change or switch to the macro lens and focus my objective. This is only happening with the camera application, uh, so I need to press the screen to make this change of the lenses. So these are not switched automatically, like I said before. This is not happening with this Instagram application. Like example, if I press the record button and close up to my objective, the switch are made automatically. So this is only happening with the app, with the camera app.